Let me put more gas in it. Don't want to like ride it and have it run out. So then it seizes. Seizes the motor.
I'm just videoing.
It's fine.
You can just take whatever content you want.
Give me the stand. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Hey guys, it's late. You're probably wondering why this thing's all apart. Well, I can't make it up, but this thing had a couple stator issues. So this is the third ignition system we put on this bike, and it's running vent now. So I guess this one was a little tired. Let's get it back together. Got the old Moose Racing 508 on this bad boy. I'm gonna tidy up these wires and get this thing buttoned back up. Don't think it's gonna fit with that cover, so we'll figure it out as we go. What's up guys? This thing's finally finished up. It fought me the whole way. I think I changed the stator out like 3 times, so you're gonna have that. This was, I believe, an 85 or 86 motor. So you're gonna see a little bit different routing on the coolant hoses on that side of the cylinder. I do point that out in the video. This thing, I'm super happy with how it turned out. I did get it running. You saw that in the clip. It's too late now, so we're gonna actually come back tomorrow and do a riding video. I'm gonna see where I can ride this thing locally tomorrow. Probably tomorrow afternoon. We have a Mother's Day thing planned in the morning. Yeah guys, I mean, this thing, it's super clean. Super happy with how it turned out. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and just show you guys some close-up shots. Alrighty guys, so if you haven't seen the other videos, you're gonna basically see that we put this motor in by making custom billet mounts. So we built our own engine cradle on our CNC milling machines, and more or less built our own intake, our own head stay. So this thing was just a crazy idea I had. I was staring at this frame. I'm like, there's absolutely no reason to be cutting these frames up and welding motor mounts back in. The only snag we did have was when we got it all done, I got the chain height set where I wanted it for the front sprocket. It's very important. If not, you're gonna basically cut through your chain guide all the time. I've seen that a lot in other conversions. Anyway, the only snag we ran into was the kicker was close, so I changed the kicker out to a different year. It fits great, no complaints there. Bike starts easy with it. Yeah guys, this thing is super clean. I've never owned a bike where I could literally do jetting just by sticking my hand in there. So it's pretty crazy that there's all this room on this 2021 chassis. So there's a shot of our head stay that we built. Again, we built our own engine cradle assembly. Those are billet pieces on each side. We have our own intake. So that instead of making the whole box, I mean, the way this thing is set up right now, you're gonna get all that air, that fresh air just flowing right into the air filter. So that's an awesome opening for that. Got the silencer set up with a custom hanger to work on this chassis. So this was a TIG welded assembly that we built. This was rolled metal, which goes from a silicone boot to the metal assembly we built to basically a 90-degree elbow, and this goes from a 3 to a 4. And that's the same style air filter we've been running on all of our truck builds. Works great. You guys can see the billet flange. So this converts this gas tank, which is normally for an EFI system, converts it over to a gravity fed. This is a Honda petcock part. Honda fuel line on both ends. Just put a on-off setup right here. Real simple, real clean. Got a little hanger here. Just goes right to the carburetor. Everything was torn down, powder coated, completely rebuilt, put back together. Yeah, guys, this thing turned out good. Just want to know, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I think it's awesome, but comment below what you think. And for all the thumb throttle haters out there, I love you guys. I actually, believe it or not, I didn't have a twist throttle for this bike, so I had my thumb throttle conversion kit sitting here in stock, so I threw it on there. I'm gonna rip it with that and do some promoting on that product too. Yeah, guys, all the quad riders that have more or less switched over to dirt bikes, you think they're hard to ride, give us a call. We can set you up with a thumb throttle. It's a good transition for any ATV rider that's riding dirt bikes. Okay guys, again, it's late. I am ready to get out of here. If you guys are interested in conversion kits for these bikes, you gotta comment, you gotta let me know. I need some feedback if we're gonna be doing a run of these kits or not. So again, it's gonna be all the billet engine mounts, head stay, intake, radiator mods. We took CR250 radiators, made them work on this bike. Wasn't too hard to do. We made all the billet pieces. Check back the other videos. I honestly explained it all already in the other videos. But yeah, just looking for your feedback. I want to know what you guys think. Yeah, another option I'm thinking about doing, I mean, it'd be really cool to, I guess, make an install kit for either a CR125, CR250 motor. I mean, I think that would be absolutely awesome in this chassis, just being the 2021. The thing's sick. I mean, I can't wait to ride it. So stay tuned for the riding content. And guys, at 50,000 subscribers, we're giving away a big wheel kit, a tray kit, or possibly an engine conversion kit for one of these bikes at 50,000 subscribers. You guys got us up to where we are already, so we appreciate it. We love all you guys. Really appreciate all the comments, the likes, the shares. We would not be here without you guys. If you guys want more info, check out our website, bvcoffroad.com. You can give us a call, 518-563-3699. Again, appreciate all the support. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these conversions, if you want to see the kits for them. It's all about these comments, these likes, and these shares. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.